Don't you ever just want to get away for the weekend, just real close to home here in northern Colorado? Well, check this out. This is a nice little escape here in the Colorado mountains, just a couple minutes away from Fort Collins. This is a restored cabin from the 1800s, and it's privately owned. You should check it out. Go to coloradocabinescape.com. That's coloradocabinescape.com. It's an absolutely little joy here, disconnect from technology. And you and one other come here and hang out and look at the beautiful stars. Right here, found it here on Find It NoCo. Have a wonderful day.